Hello, my dear children. Welcome back again. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home by the grace of God. Let us continue with our chapter Circle. Our today's topic is the interior and the exterior of a circle. Children, the word interior means inside and exterior means outside. I know you play land and sea with your friends. Now, see what we are learning in this. We play land and sea inside a circle on the playground. In this game, the child inside the circle are in a sea while the child outside the circle are on land. So children, you can play this game and you can have a connection with interior and exterior. Interior means inside, exterior means outside. So here inside the circle means inside the sea and outside the circle means you're on the land. This game is also known as land and water. Okay. Now kindly concentrate on the figure. You can see a circle over here. The center of the circle is point O. Now in the figure, points Q, N, R. You can see Q, N and R. These points are on the circle, that is on the boundary of the circle. So points Q, N, R on the circle. Now points D, point O, point P, point X, they are inside the circle. So we say points D, O, P, X are in the interior of the circle as they are inside the circle. So the points which lie in the circle, they are called as interior points. Next, point M, point A, point B are exterior of the circle. They are outside the circle. So, points M, A, B are in the exterior of the circle. So, the points which lie in the circle, they are called interior points. The points which lie on the boundary of the circles, they are called as on points on the circle, and the points which lie outside the circle, they are known as exterior points. Based on this, we will solve problem set 30. You can see the diagram over here, children. There is a diagram over here. So, this is your question. The question is here is points in the interior of the circle. So, from the diagram, you are supposed to write the points which are in the interior of the circle. Then the next part is point in the exterior of the circle. So, we will write the points which lie outside the circle and points on the circle. That means the points which lie on the boundary of the circle. So I hope the question is quite clear to you, dear children. So let's start. Points in the interior of the circle. Interior means, children, inside. So let's see the points which are inside the circle. We can see point Y, point T, point R and point X. So we will write in our column that Y, T, R, X. You are supposed to put commas. Okay. Next question is points in the exterior of the circle. Exterior means outside the circle. So we can take the points W, then point M and point Z. They are outside the circle. They are not in the circle nor on the boundary of the circle. They are out of the circle, so they are called as the exterior points. So we will write point W, M and Z by putting comma. Next one, points on the circle. So on the circle means the points which are on the boundary of the circle, children. So there are only 2 points, dear children, that is point P and point N. So we will write point P and N, putting a comma. Let us sum up points interior of the circle, that is point Y, T, R, X. Points in the exterior of the circle, point W, point M and point Z. Points on the circle, point P and point N. Interior means inside, exterior means outside, and on the circle means on the boundary of the circle. Thank you, dear children. Kindly write the notes. Complete your book neatly. Wherever you see a diagram, you're supposed to draw the diagram with pencil and name the points with pencil itself. Please maintain your book, complete your book neatly, and study on time. Take care. Stay blessed. Goodbye.